So first of all, you need to take a 260 and I'm using lime green, and I'm going to make a flower petal base. So I'm just making small loops of about 3 fingers or so, 3-4 fingers. And if you need any tips, or you need me to go a little bit slower making this balloon flower, then make sure you check out my video how to make a balloon daisy. I'll put the link up here, and I go much more slowly in that video. Okay, so if you want to make 5 petals or 6 petals or 7 petals, it doesn't really matter. It's however many petals you want to make. I'm doing 6 and I'm just arranging them all now. Okay, so there you've got your 6 petal flower base, and I'm just going to deflate the end, and I'm just going to wrap that end around a few times. Next, take a 6-inch quick link. I'm using blue, and I'm going to inflate that, and then I'm just going to let a little bit of air out. I want a nice round body shape. Okay, put a twist there in the neck, and then take your flower petal base and just wrap that quick link into that base a few times. Okay, so that's what you've got. Take a 160 in blue with a tail of a couple of fingers, and I've tied mine so I've got this nice long bit at the beginning. Okay, and first of all you want to twist off a small bubble of a finger and a half, and then make a small loop of perhaps about 3 fingers. Okay, and then make another small loop to match this one, so another 3-finger loop, twist that round, and then you want to make another small bubble of a finger or so, and we're going to pinch twist that. So grab hold of that small bubble and pinch twist it. Okay, and then you can break the rest off. Squeeze the air into the end of this balloon, and this is going to be the cat's tail, so we can twist that round a little bit and shape it. Okay, and we can use that later. Take your ears, and we're going to turn this little bubble here into a pinch twist. Okay, so you've got your 2 little ears like that, and you've got a pinch twist on either side. Next, take a 5-inch round, and I like to overinflate and then just let a little bit of air out. So I want to sort of squish the air up and then push it down. So I squish the air up and then I push it down. And then at this point I tie off. Roll that knot along the neck so it's high on the nozzle. Take your ears and take that nozzle. Squish the air up into your 5-inch round and put the 2 nozzles on top of one another and push into the base of the head, and then twist that group of knots and nozzles. Hold on to that. Take your quick link and just push the air out of that quick link tip, and then use that tip to wrap around that cluster of nozzles that you're holding on to, and then just tie a knot in the tip of that quick link. Okay, and that's going to connect everything together. Next, take another 160. This has got a 3-finger tail, and you're going to want to make 2 small loops of about 3 fingers or so. Okay, so take that nozzle and knot and push it through to the other side, and then make another 3-finger loop to match the first, and then just take that nozzle and wrap it round so that those are really secure and they're not going to come undone. Okay, give your balloon a squeeze and a stretch, and take this 160. This is going to be our cat's arms or front paws, and I want these to be just wrapped loosely around, so they're going to sit sort of roughly like that at the front. I don't want them to be too tight. Okay, So I'm going to twist them off there. I'm just going to twist that round, and then I'm going to give everything a squeeze and a stretch, and then I'm going to bring that 160 round the base and round to the front, and I'm just going to wrap that loosely around. It sits comfortably, it's wrapped comfortably around. It's not too loose and it's not too tight. And then just wrap that into those 2 paws at the front. Okay. At this point, you can break this off and tie. So that's what we've got so far. So that little piece we saved, just kind of scrunch it up in your hands and massage it a little bit just to give it a little bit of shape. And then take that end there and just tuck it underneath that 160, and then pull that end so you've just pulled that tail in between the body and the legs at the back. Okay. Next, take a Sharpie. I'm using blue. Then take your black pen and draw a circle, and then I outline the eye with my black Sharpie, and with a white paint pen I put highlight. For the nose I draw a little heart, and 2 big pink cheeks. With my black Sharpie, I just outline the nose. And draw a little mouth. Little dots. And some whiskers. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.